Welcome to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of editing the footer section on your site and changing its color using an intuitive and user-friendly page builder. Customizing the footer is essential for giving your website a personalized touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. First of all, we have made changes on footer editing. For this, let's learn how to change footer. So now let's start. First of all, you need to sign into your dashboard. Go to Site Builder, then Footer. Here you can see that we have added several templates for the footers, so you can preview and see this footer, but if you don't like them, you can add it and customize the footer yourself. For that, click Edit the current footer, and here you can see the default footer that is being created with your website. Change the background color. You simply click on this section, go to Decorations, and here you can find background color. Click on it, choose your favorite color. You can even bring here the code of the color, and that's it. You can change each element here, the text, you can add links, you can add here another images for social media, you can add another element, but if you don't want to customize on your own, you are free to use one of our templates and they look very modern and fresh.